Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create comparison chart in Google Sheets mobile. Alright, let's get into it here. I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone and I have created a table as well. And for example, we're going to compare the sale of March and April. And this is the table. And if you want to compare two things, make sure that you have create two columns for each thing. And for example, this is the column, guys. This is the sale of March and this is the sale of April. So we're going to select the whole part of the table, and then after that we just need to click on this plus button. And since we want to create a chart, we can click on chart right here and the chart will automatically create it on your spreadsheet. And this is the chart, guys. And if you want to change the type of the chart, we just need to click on type right here and you can select the type of the chart that you want to use. And for example, I'm going to select this line chart. So just tap on the chart that you want to use. Then we can also edit the chart, guys. We can edit the titles and also the color. And for example, I'm going to edit the title. So just tap on title option. Then I'm going to edit the left vertical axis title. I'm going to add number of item like this. And after that, we can click on this update title option. Okay, and I'm going to edit the chart title as well. The chart title is sale of March and April. Then click on update title. Okay, after we're done, we just need to click on this check mark button. Then this is the result, guys. This is the comparison chart. Alright guys, and that's how we can create comparison chart in Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.